जय हिंद दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल इंडियन आर्मी ज्ञान में। जैसे कि आप सबको हमने लाइव अपडेट पे बताया था कि हम नई वाली एक और सीरीज़ शुरू करने जा रहे हैं पेपर जीडी पेपर और क्लरिकल पेपर के लिए, जो इंग्लिश में होगी। सो अब हम आज से उसकी शुरुआत कर रहे हैं दोस्तों। सो इसके लिए हम आपके लिए लाए हैं आज 20 क्वेश्चंस। पहले हमने 20 क्वेश्चन डाल दिए थे और एक आज से हम एक और अगले 20 क्वेश्चन आपके लिए लेके आए हैं। सो चलते चलते हमारे वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कर दें ताकि बाकी लोगों को भी फ़ायदा हो सके, दोज हु आर preparing this army GD and clerical test. So without any delay, so let's begin it with the questions of GK and science. So students, our first question is which crop is sown on the largest area in India? So which crop is sown in the largest area of India? So कौन सी क्रॉप है, कौन सी फसल है जो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े एरिया में, इंडिया में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बड़े एरिया में उगाई जाती है? सो सोन मीन्स उगाई जाती है. सो आंसर इज़ rice. So rice was the most sown crop in India. So next question, let's move to the next question. So we have written the answer here also. So next question is, yes, Eritrea, which become 182nd member of United Nation in 1993, is on the continent of which country? So can you give the answer, students? जल्दी से बताइए please. So what should be the answer? So answer should be B, Africa. Eritrea is the continent of Africa. So next question, let's move to the next question. So the next question is, which of the following personalities gave the laws of heredity? Heredity law was propounded or given by which of the scientists, which of the person named given below? So the answer is B, G.J. Mendel is the right answer. So students, next let's move to the next question. So the next question is, Garam Pani Sanctuary is located at Junagadh, Deepu, Kohima or Gangtok. So the right answer is B. So the answer is Deepu, Assam. So this is the region of Assam, Deepu. So next question, let's move to the next question without any delay. And the next question is, who is known as the saint of gutters? So it is very important question for the from the exam point of view. So you should have to learn this question. It might be asked in the GD paper. So what should be the answer of this question is, who is known as the saint of gutters? So answer should be B, Mother Teresa is the saint of gutters, because she helped deprived society. So next question is, for which of the following disciplines Nobel Prize awarded? Yes, physics, psychology or medicine, physiology or medicine, literature, peace, economics, and all of the above. So all these categories are included in Nobel Prize. So हर एक में ये Nobel Prize मिलता है. So answer is D. Answer is D. Look at the answer, D. So next on, let's move to the next question without any delay. Grand Central Terminal Park Avenue, New York is world's largest railway terminal, highest railway station, longest railway station, or none of the above. So that should be the largest railway station. So the largest railway station in the world is Grand Central Terminal, which should be situated in New York, USA, America. Next question, let's move to the next question. So the answer is, the question is, name the person who was also known as Deshbandhu. Can you give the answer? It is very important students from the exam point of view. So एग्ज़ाम में बहुत important question है ये दोस्तों. So आपको एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही ज़्यादा आने के chances है. So answer is चितरंजन दास, देशबंधु चितरंजन दास. So next question, move to the next question. Yes, FFC stands for Foreign Finance Corporation, Film Finance Corporation, Federation of Football Council, or none of the above. So the right answer is B, Film Finance Corporation is the right answer. Next question दोस्तों, friends, next question is, which of the following national park is not listed in a UNESCO World Heritage Site? So the answer is Kaziranga National Park. No. This is situated Koilario. No. Sundarbans. No. Yes. Kanha National Park is the right answer. It is not listed. So the next question. Capital of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand की capital क्या है? Which is the capital of Uttarakhand? So the Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Fastest shorthand writer was dash G.D. Best, G.R.D. Tata, J.M. Tagore, or Khudada Khan. So the answer is A, G.D. Best. Shorthand writer, the fastest shorthand writer. Next question, we'll move to the next question. So the question is, in which state has the largest area? Which state has the largest area? Can you give the answer, students? Yes. The answer is, can you give the answer? It's very important answer and the very easy answer. So answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest area. UP has largest population, and Madhya Pradesh has maximum forest cover, and now move to the next question. Geet Govind is famous creation of Banbhat, Kalidas, Jayadev, Bharatmuni. So the answer is B. C. Jayadev is the right answer. Geet Govind is the famous creation of Jayadev. Next question. Galileo was an Italian astronomer who developed the telescope, discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter, discovered that the movement of pendulum precedes a regular time measures, or all of the above. So yes, all of the above are the founded by, developed and discovered by Galileo. Telescope, discovered 4 satellites of Jupiter, and discovered that the movement of pendulum produces a regular time measurement. So the pendulum is like this. घड़ी होती है ना, सो जो मूव वैसे करती है, इधर को इधर को इधर को इधर को, सो उसको बोलते हैं पेंडुलम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दोस्तों, विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, The Maratha and the Kesari were the two main newspapers which were started by the following people: Lala Lajpat Rai, Kesari, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, or Madan Mohan Malviya. So the answer is yes, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lala Lajpat Rai is also known as Punjab Kesari. Punjab Kesari. And G.K. Gokhale was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Next question, we'll move to the next question. When did the World Trade Organization come into existence? So the answer is 1995. Next question. Exposure to sunlight helps a person to improve his health because infrared light kills bacteria in the body. Resistance power increases, the pigment cells in the skin get stimulated and produce a healthy tan. Ultraviolet rays converted skin oil into the vitamin D. Yes, so the answer is D. So हम कहते हैं ना दोस्तों, we usually say that from sun bath will get vitamin D. So this is how the vitamin D is converted into the body by ultraviolet rays from the skin oil. So the next question is: the Lucknow session of Indian National Congress that took place in 1916 was presided by Ambika Charan Majumdar. So the next question, we'll move to the next question. The final question of today's session is: in which year did the cabinet mission arrive? The cabinet mission arrived in, it's very important question, students. So the answer is 1946. So the cabinet mission arrived in 1946. 1946 is the right answer. Okay. 1942 is the Quit India movement. 1941 Wavell Plan. सो उम्मीद है दोस्तों आप सबको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. सो ऐसे ही वीडियो हम आपके लिए नेक्स्ट इन फ्यूचर भी लाते रहेंगे फॉर द इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स. सो आई होप you all have learned a lot from this video. So we'll meet you in our next video. Till then, goodbye, sat sri akal, namaskar and adab.